Hi, my name is Barb Hush. I work for the Door County Library at the Forestville branch in Forestville, Wisconsin. And I love to do crafts, so I have been asked to put together some crafts that you can do at home with your kids. So today's craft is called, let's make a garden. Okay? And it's very simple, really. I'm sure a lot of you have these seed catalogs, whether it's this company or many other companies. And the kids are told it's okay to take this old catalog, once you're done ordering, of course, and you're through with it. They can take the catalog and they can look at all the pictures and put together a craft of planting their own garden. What would they put in their garden if they could choose? For instance, I chose blueberries, strawberries, flowers, green beans to go in my garden. If I could plant a garden, these are some of the things I would love to have in my garden. So they can just choose whatever they like to put in their garden. And they can either cut them out and put them on a white piece of paper like this, or a paper plate, or construction paper, anything you have at home. I cut out some little colorful squares, and then I glued my vegetables or fruits or flowers on that square just to give it a little more color, for a little more background for the craft. But I think this would be a real satisfying project for them to be able to plant their own garden and decide what they would put in their garden if they had the choice to do this. So let them have fun doing this, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks. Bye. Happy crafting.